Ordering food and drinks for a meeting can be a lengthy and complicated affair, especially if you end up having to move your meeting or make a change to the order. These are, however, all problems that OnTime Catering can solve. With OnTime Catering, you can place your food and beverage order when you create your event, and if you move your event, the catering order will automatically follow suit. So let me show you how to use it. Firstly, I'm going to start out by selecting a few people who I want to have a meeting with and select the time. Drag and drop in the calendar, and now I have to fill out the meeting information. So this is going to be a sales coordination meeting. I can fill out all the meeting details here, including category, description, and all those sorts of things. The only thing I'm going to focus on here is the room booking, since I need that if I want the food to be delivered. So to add catering, I just click up here on the catering order. Now I have to start out by selecting a canteen, since it is going to determine my delivery and menu options. The meeting is in Copenhagen, so I'm going to go with the canteen there. I could also have made an order for the London canteen if I, for example, had a colleague from another location joining the meeting who should also get refreshments. When I've selected a canteen, I have to choose where I want the food delivered. The menu options might differ depending on what I choose. This could be that it wouldn't make sense to have a buffet option for a meeting room delivery. I'm going to have it delivered to the meeting room, so I will just leave the room in this field. The serving time determines when the order is going to be delivered. It could be that I am ordering a halfway snack because it's going to be a long meeting, or that I am ordering lunch for the end of the meeting. I can also add several orders to a meeting, so this might be for breakfast, and I could then place another order for lunch to be served in the canteen later. For now, I'm just going to order the breakfast to be delivered to the beginning of the meeting. The next few fields are custom fields made by the canteen, depending on the information they need, both for delivery and billing. So the meeting type is internal, the department is sales, and I might have comments later, but for now I will just leave it blank. Now it's time to select some food and beverages. Let's start with something to drink. I will get some coffee, but only 2, and then I will get a couple of iced coffees. When looking at a menu item, I can see the description of it, a picture, the allergens, and the price, so I can make my decision based on this. Now I'm going to order 2 breakfast bagels, 1 croissant, and 1 avocado toast. I know that one of the people attending the meeting wanted the avocado toast, but is allergic to gluten. In the description here, I can see that it is possible to get it with gluten-free bread, so I'm going to write in the comment for the canteen box and write, "The avocado toast on gluten-free bread, please." Now I'm done filling out my order, so I can just add it. I can see it over here on the right side with its status, so currently it is awaiting approval. I can add as many orders to a meeting as I want, depending on how I want to do everything. Now I can send out the meeting invites, and then everything has been fixed. I can see all my orders, including the one I just placed over here on the left side. This way I can easily get an overview of where I need to take action and what the status of the different orders is. I can also click on it if I need to add more orders or edit the order I have placed. If an order has already been approved, I will have to copy it to a new, change the things I wanted, save the new order, and remove the old one. The new order will then have to be approved since the canteen is going to have to deliver a different order. When I click to edit an order, I can do all the things that I could when creating the order, but now I also have a few extra options. Up here, I can remove the order, which is deleting it, or I can copy it to new. This could, for example, be useful if it was a coffee order for a full day project and I need coffee to be served both in the morning and the afternoon. This way, I would just have to change the time, and then I would have 2 different orders. Another reason why you might want to edit your order is if I, for some reason, have to move the meeting to another day at another time. I move the calendar entry in the calendar, and when I release it, it opens up the event. Now I can see here that the time of the meeting has changed, and if I look at my catering order, I can see that the serving time is now too early in the day, so I can click on it to edit it. I'm going to change it to be served at the new meeting start time. However, since the order started out being a morning order and the meeting is now in the afternoon, some of the things I ordered might not be available. In this case, I'm not able to get the different breakfast items. Since they are only available in the morning, I am, however, able to get sodas, lunch items, and things to share. So I will remove the breakfast items and instead order some other things for the invitees. When I am done with this, I click Update, which will send my request to the canteen for them to accept or decline. It is never too late to add an order to a meeting, even if I didn't order any catering when I first created the meeting, and it is also possible for me to order catering if I am creating a meeting on behalf of someone else, but much more on that in the Events for Others video.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.